Greetings of the day, dear friends. Today let us discuss the skills required to get success in the campus interviews particularly. Normally the multinational companies visits the colleges to conduct the campus interviews where they will expect minimum 60% of marks throughout the career, that is 10th class 60%, intermediate 60% and degree up to final year they will expect 60%. That means 60% throughout career. That means 10th, inter and degree they will observe the consistency in the percentage of marks from the 10th class to degree. That is very important. If you get the marks like 90% in the 10th class and 80% in the intermediate and 60 or 70% in the degree, that is there is a decrease in the percentage of marks, it gives a negative symbol. That is why always students should see that there must be some consistency in the percentage of marks from 10th, inter and up to degree. That is first thing the most of the multinational companies expects from the students, consistency in the percentage of marks. And normally many of the multinational companies will allow the students to attend for the campus interviews if they get minimum 60% of marks throughout the career. That is number one criteria. The second one is students should not have any active backlogs. That is very important. For example, if you are attending for the interview in the 5th semester, 4th semester, by that time the students should not have any arrears in the backlog subjects in the 1st semester, 2nd semester, 3rd semester, 4th semester. And always students should see that they should complete the subjects in a single attempt. Some of the companies, multinational companies will observe whether the student has completed all the subjects in a single attempt or not. They will give some importance for that also. This is as far as criteria is concerned. Once if you are eligible to attend for the campus interview for that drive, then you have to prove yourself in the first round, that is aptitude round. So normally nowadays all the multinational companies are conducting the first round online examination, where they will conduct arithmetic, reasoning, and some of the companies will include English component also in the first round. So you have to get minimum qualifying mark in the arithmetic, reasoning and English individually. So if you are getting complete overall qualifying mark, that is not sufficient. You should get special minimum marks in arithmetic and reasoning as well as English. Then if you are shortlisted for the next round, if you are completing that qualifying mark, you will be promoted for the next round. That is second round, normally the technical round. For example, you are the student of computer science. They will conduct the interview particularly in the C language, Java or DBMS. These three, as far as degree is concerned, non-engineering degree is concerned, BSc is concerned, they will check the skills in these three areas, C, Java and DBMS. And along with this, the fundamentals in the computer science and operating system concepts and network systems. These are the minimum required skills required to get succeed in the technical interview. That is the second step. If you prove yourself in the second round, that is in the technical round, you will be sent for the third round, that is final round, HR round. Normally, the employer will expect good communication skills from the student, and they will observe your body language and your attitude and willingness to learn new things. They will check all these kind of things when they are conducting the interview in the HR round. So once if they are satisfied with all these skills, you will be given appointment letter. That is the procedure normally for the non-engineering, that is degree students campus interviews. And one more thing, you should prepare a wonderful decent biodata resume. That is very important. In the resume, normally you should mention the languages what you are familiar with. You are good at C and Java, you mention those two only. So for example, if you are not good at Python, if you mention the Python language in the resume, they will pose the questions in the Python where you cannot perform well, you will not be selected. They are not expecting that you are master in all subjects, but whatever the languages or whatever topics you have mentioned in the resume, they will focus and they will ask the questions on the particular topic itself. That is why you must be very careful when you are preparing your resume to submit to the company when you are attending for the campus interviews. That is one thing important. And regarding this technical interview, normally they will observe and they will see the certifications. For example, if you have completed Cisco certification or certification given by the Oracle Academy, Java certification, DBMS certification, if you have such kind of certifications from reputed organizations, that will be an added advantage. Along with that, if you got some certificates from the district level, state level, university level certifications, some essay writing competitions, debate competitions, some quiz competition, likewise some exhibitions, if you have participated in some exhibitions, youth parliament, if you have attended for this kind of activities during your course of 3 years degree, that will be an added advantage. So they will see your leadership skills, managerial skills, communication skills, they will observe each and everything. Based on that, you will be selected for the company. So I suggest all the students during your 3 years of stay in the degree, try to get more certifications and improve your communication skills and practice in the arithmetic, reasoning and English. So if you can improve these skills, definitely you can crack the job in the campus interviews. I wish you all the best. Thank you one and all.